Hello, my peeps in YouTube land. I have freeze-dried this. I know it doesn't look like anything. This is a half a jar. This is a big 2-quart. I think it's 2 quarts. Anyway, what I made one night was I made shrimp, broccoli, onions. I think there's sun-dried tomatoes in here. Shrimp. And this is one of my many meals that I make. So I wanted to test it out. I wanted to see how it tastes. So what I did is I heated some water. And I put some boiling water in the pot. And now I want to taste it. To let you see how it tastes. Because I'm experimenting with different foods. So I noticed one thing, that the macaroni, if it's thick like this is, it needs a little bit more water. So what I did was I put the heat on a little bit and I steamed, very low, and just like maybe 2-3 minutes. That's it. Because you don't want the shrimp to fall apart. The shrimp I tasted before. They're delicious. And I'm going to taste it now. I could definitely do this meal in an SHTF situation. Anybody, who has the Harvest Right freeze dryers, do your own recipes. Check them out. I think I put mushrooms in here too. I have the recipe, so if anybody wants this recipe, just let me know and I'll send you the recipe. These are the shrimp. The shrimp were delicious. And I'm experimenting now with quinoa, because I make all these vegetable dishes that are really delicious. So I cooked the quinoa and I froze it and I put it in. I'll show you what I did. I put it in the muffin pans. And I didn't fill it up, because this is a thick muffin pan, right? It's a regular muffin pan. So I only did it halfway, because then it doesn't fit in the machine. So this is the quinoa with the vegetables and spinach, and it's got kale, it's got onions. So I'm going to check that out. I also made, I made, because I make this rice dish, and it came out so good. Rice with chicken. But when I do it, I'll let you know. I'll make a video on it. And so I made these rice discs. They're like hockey pucks, but they were too big, so they don't fit in the machine. So when I do it, I'll let you guys know. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye.